Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off using the sleep timer on your Amazon Fire Stick or TV. Now on your TV, it's very simple. All you have to do is hold down this home button on your remote and this side panel will open up. And then we got the sleep timer right here. We can just activate it, go to like 15, 30, 60, 90 minutes, etc. And it will be very easy to see the timer. So if I select it, it says a countdown right there. Now, if you're on your Fire Stick, you won't have this option, but you can still do it. You have to hold down the Alexa button on your remote. So this big blue button right here, just hold this down and then say sleep timer to whatever minutes you want. So let's hold it down right now. Set a sleep timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, I'll turn off the TV screen in 15 minutes.
So Alexa was talking to me on my soundbar. She said that it would turn off my TV in 15 minutes. So just use the voice control options and you should be able to turn everything off. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.